The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. Residents in New York City, evacuate the city. The city was chosen for the war. This is a deadly situation. This message should be taken seriously. Oh hell no. Small meteors are impacting the city. The Young Guns Goku Jr., Danielle O'Brien, Drip Scared, Clarence Callahan, Christian Lloyd, Extinct, SSGSS Mario FTW Archive Production, Allen Productions, Jared the Killer Master, Sons, and Hexa 40 official and Nicolas Arta are trying to stop Mickey Error from causing danger to the city. Please stay tuned for any updates on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. Mickey Error is mostly taken it too far, as he now destroyed a bunch of buildings including the One World Trade Center. Stay out of the city until the situation is over. Do not enter the city. It will lead you to death. Mickey Error injured Jared the Killer Master while trying to attack Mickey Error. Leader Goku Jr. and co-leader Danielle O'Brien have a plan to stop Mickey Error. Wait. Oh crap, we killed the 45th president. Donald Trump was killed. His guts are all over the place and now there is blood all around the sidewalk. Stay tuned for more information about this deadly situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. At this time, toxic gases are spreading up in the air, causing people that can cause cancer, lung cancer, heart attack, or even death. Stay away from the city. Drip Scared is battling against Mickey Error. At this time, Mickey Error is really dangerous. He can kill a person immediately. Stay away from Mickey Error. Stay tuned for more information. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. As a report, Mickey Error has a powerful weapon that can mostly destroy anything. This can be a really dangerous situation. Stay away from the city as this battle hasn't ended. Nicolas Arta is now trying to do his job to save all of us from Mickey Error. Stay tuned for further information of this dangerous situation.
Breaking news. A battle is happening right now. As this battle can last at least 2 weeks. The Young Guns and Nicolas Arta are working on trying to find a way to defeat Mickey Error. Residents in New York who haven't escaped are being threatened by Mickey Error. Wait a second.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Mickey error had caused an explosion in the news station. It is unknown if there was any survivors or not. Mickey error is really taking this too far. Nicolas Arta had gotten a brain concussion after he hit himself on the brick wall. The young guns are now battling Mickey error. It would have been worse with Pluto error as well. Stay tuned for more information. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is it. America. The end is coming. Mickey error set up a laser to activate in 24 hours. If the laser touches the Earth, the whole entire world will explode and we will be gone forever and ever. Thanks a lot to Mickey error. I want to thank Nicolas Arta, the Young Guns, Goku Jr., Danielle O'Brien, Drip Scared, Clarence Callahan, Christian Lloyd, Extinct, SSGSS Mario FTW Archive Production, Allen Productions, Jared the Killer Master, Sunts, and Hexa40 Official for helping us, but nothing worked. He already set it up. God bless America. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. We have seconds left until the laser blasts and kills everyone. Everyone, gather with friends and family to prepare for death. Nicolas Arta, what are you doing? No. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. As we saw, Nicolas Arta ended up killing Mickey error. But heartbreaking news and with deep sadness as we have lost our true hero. Nicolas Arta sacrificed his life for us. All thanks to him. But we will all miss you. You are our hero.